Hello viewers, currently June Epic Sale is running on Flipkart.com. Many products are on sale. Eventually, tablets are also on the list of offers. But sadly, the offers are not great for most of the tablets. There are few tablets that you can actually buy right now. I can see that Oneplus Pad Go 2 is selling at a price point of 24,999 rupees. Though the best price for Oneplus Pad Go 2 is around 23,000 rupees, whereas iPad 9th generation is selling at a price point of 20,949 rupees with bank offers. I don't think you should buy iPad 9th generation in 2026. Rather, you should buy Apple iPad 10th generation, but currently the price of this iPad also is on the higher side. If you can get this iPad around 25,000 rupees, you can make the purchase. Currently iPad 11th generation is not available right now at the time of recording this video. Many people actually want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE and S10 FE Plus, but right now these two tablets are not available on Flipkart.com. Few hours ago it was available, but the price was very high. Actually S10 FE Plus was selling above 45,000 rupees, so you should not buy this tablet right now. Similarly, there is no offer on iPad Air M3. Wait for iPad Air M3 on Amazon.in because it was sold at a price point of 43,000 rupees. Similarly, if you are planning to buy OnePlus Pad Lite, in that case the price of this tablet is very high. For the 6GB and 128GB variant, it is above 15,000 rupees, which is not a value for money right now. Actually, this Epic Sale is not good for tablets, so you should not buy any tablet right now. Rather, you should wait at least 2 months when Big Billion Days sale will start, and you will get the best discounts on Big Billion Days sale offer. So in the conclusion, you should not buy any tablet right now. Rather wait for another offer. I will let you know about the best offers. So stay subscribed with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.